show cooking, all these things are so making me so happy. You guys, my husband will say, baby, you don't ask for too much. I used to tell him, I said, baby, I don't ask for too much. Wow, you guys, I've never seen this in my entire life. Like they are washing my car right now. And it's like rain is falling here. Like, hey, this is so good. Daddy, thank you for bringing me to America, my darling. It's rain falling. That is rain falling. Like on my car, that's like it now. You guys, it's raining on my car right now. Guys, we came to car wash. Don't mind me. I'm just messing. Like, oh my God, Chidera, you didn't make coffee before. He's scared, eh? Oh, Chidera and Chineme are Galia before, yeah. You guys, I'm washing my car. Oh, I just want to dash them this morning. Oh. You guys know Guchies. I like to wash my car myself. Nigerian woman. So that I'll save that money. It's just as if like it's raining. They're just coming back from church, guys. I hope you guys are having a beautiful new year. We are all good and sound. Yeah. This is how we are doing today. Just wash the car. Are they done, baby? This car is so dirty. So dirty. We've not had time to do some cleaning for some time now. And you guys know I like to wash my car myself, but you know, I just have to come to wash this car here. But if you leave me, I will want to wash my car myself, for real. That's Queen Esther right there. With her high heel washing the car. Queen Esther on high heel. And here is Emanuela and her daddy. You guys, these girls, they like to mess my car, them and their daddy. They will just eat all manner of stuffs and throw in my car. I just don't like seeing dirty here and there in my car, for real. But what will I do? What will I do? So this is how it is in America. Everybody comes here, they just wash their car. I mean, in Nigeria, you just give it to them and they will do the washing. I don't know if they are doing this now in Nigeria, but yeah, this is how it rolls here. People just park their cars and then wash it, vacuum it themselves. I don't think it's a bad idea. Yeah, but I like washing my car myself because even after all the washing, it doesn't seem to be very clean. For me, that's the way I feel about it anyways. Let me see your opinion in that comment section. What do you think? Do you prefer the American washing or do you prefer the washing back home? I just think I wash it better. That's just one thing for me. I just think I do better washing. Yeah. Because I go to all those corners and do a thorough washing. Like yeah, places where those things can't get to, like this vacuum. I just do it myself, for real. Let's start the troublemaker.
It's the food.
The cheese! You guys see my son, oh, he came to say hello to me. Erima, come on. You guys see my baby Erima. Say cheese, mama. Cheese. I have my children here today.
No, Emmanuel said, alright, let's begin.
I've been telling you guys, Sylvia Sandy. Look at the boss here. Oh. You guys say thank you to Sylvia Sandy. Happy New Year, everyone. Run to her channel one time. Go and see the things she's doing on her channel. Oh. Go and support Sylvia Sandy. She's a sister. She's a family. So guys, we're going to start eating, okay? Come and eat with us. This is how we are starting our new year. Yes. Yes, see my children. Oh, I mean, the best thing that came to me this new year is children. I am so grateful.
Your leg as big as.
Just give him the size that he can finish. Give him the size that he can finish anyway, no problem. Overeating is allowed in Guchies Kitchen's house.
Oh, you said this.
This.
You point out this. Okay.
Eat according to your size.
No, if that is what he wants, if he can finish it, that's fine. So guys, it's been a wonderful new year. This is how we enjoyed it. So we had fun, we enjoyed ourselves, and it was blessed and pleasing to me that I have children who came visited me today. That was beautiful. I hope you enjoyed your new year as well. Let me know how you enjoyed it in that comment section. Thank you for staying. Be loving, be kind, be merciful. God love the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video.